Hello. Hello. How you doing, everybody? Something awesome today. We have Eli coming over to pick up the masterpiece. So, yo, what's up, bro? What? You hungry? All right, I'll get you some food. Chill. Jesus. All right, guys, I'm hungry. Johnny's hungry. Eli's coming. I want this to be a big surprise. It's gonna be really fun. I'm gonna go get some food. We'll be back. Follow me. Let's just go get some food. At Hate Mondays. I'm hungry. Let's go check this out and get some food going. All right, Karl! What up, buddy? Who's it? Woo! Hey, this is service, Karl. I brought YouTube with us. I'm hungry. And I just wanted to let everybody know that this is the baddest place in Miami. And there's a lot of history behind this place. How you got here? How did you become the baddest chef in Miami?
I wouldn't say I'm the baddest chef, but I spent 23 years in big box retailer and always had a passion for cooking. When I left there, I didn't know what I wanted to do. So I bought a smoker, parked on the street down in 184, and smoked ribs on the street for a couple years. Bought this place and I said, I'm gonna take a risk. I'm gonna take a gamble. I'm a gambler.
That's
so
what
I
it
was
is.
like, hey, I'm gonna make this happen. Let me see what I want to do. And just along the way, home taught chef. Nobody showed me how to do anything. Just something that I've always had a passion for. Just enjoy. Just
Cooking.
a love for cooking.
Bro, the food here is amazing. I like to add, he won, what is it? The
Hamburger House Party by Burger Beast.
Hamburger
right here.
The decoration in here, it's awesome. It's very homey. When you come in here, you don't want to leave. How did you come up with the decoration?
So when I bought this place, it was a Cuban cafeteria, and I wanted to make something that represents me, and it has a lot of history. Everything that's on the wall has a little piece of history around me and who I am. Obviously, I like to surf. I have the surfboards in here. I'm very patriotic. That's why I have the flags hanging everywhere in here. I rode a Harley for years. Everything else is given to me by customers. I like to interact with my customers. I like to talk to people. I like to make people feel like they're home. This is my little cheers. This is something that I built from nothing.
I haven't had the burger yet. I would love to have it.
I'll make you one today.
All right.
Alright, so we're gonna make a remedy burger. This is the one that I went through Hamburger House Party by Burger Beast in 2018. We're gonna make the remedy burger, which is a patty that we make in-house, seasoned completely through. It has smoked pork belly and a cheese sauce that I make in-house. So right here, we have a half-pound burger blend that is very specific to us.
Love you, buddy. Thank you, motherfuckers. Not bad, bro.
I got the perfect one. I can't even believe it. That's not a knife.
This is
This is a knife.
bam! What?
So your lunch is ready, sir?
Last words. There's nothing to say, but I'm gonna dig in, and hopefully Johnny sees some of this, I guess. See you in a little bit. Get out, you already ate. Let's go.
How was everything?
Great.
Thanks for coming by.
Hey, we had a great time. Belly's full. Oh shit, Johnny. Oh, never mind. Hey,
Where's Johnny?
I gotta go. Don't worry about it. Bye. Johnny. Well, he's not here, bro. Whatever. Hey, everybody, we're back. Eli's here to pick up. Oh wait. Yeah. Oh, hey, bro, I'm so excited. Alright, so hey, Eli's here. He's here to pick up his drawing. This is awesome.